Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, can we create duplicate classes in Java? The answer is both no and yes. When it is no and when it is yes, I am going to explain now. So first, let's go with the no case. When it is not possible to create duplicate class in Java, if you are trying to create these duplicate classes having the same name inside the same package of the Java project, then it is not possible. Okay. If you're creating the classes having the same name as part of the same package of the project, then Java will not allow you to create the duplicate classes. You are going to get a compiler error in this case. Okay. You're going to get a compiler error saying duplicate class. Okay. You cannot create duplicate class. Already a class having the same name exists, kind of compiler error will come to you. But what if there is another situation or scenario where inside the same project, you create multiple packages, okay, different packages you create, and the class you create in one package, and with the same name, with the same class name, if you create another class in another package, even though they are duplicate of each other, but they belong to different package. So compiler will not give you any error. Okay. Since they are differentiated using the package name, class can have the same name when they're part of different packages. Okay. Because packages will make them different. Even though the class names are matching, but package names are different, means it's all allowed in Java case. Okay. Packages will differentiate this duplicate classes. They will not consider them as duplicate classes, even though they have the same names. Okay. So within the same package, not possible. Okay. In different packages, it's possible to create duplicate classes in Java. Okay. With practical demonstration, I'm going to show you now. So for that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE, and I'll just take some packages here. I'll just create a new package otherwise. Okay. RPack. Okay. Some different package name I'm giving. RPack. RPack already exists. I'll just give another package. Okay, vpack I am giving. Click on finish. So some package name I give, and in that I'm going to create a class. I'll just name this class as sample with okay. Click on finish. Sample class will be created. You see, inside this vpack package, I created a sample class. Again, in the same package, if I try to create the same class, again the sample class, you see here it's already okay. Java class type already exists. Okay. So it's saying type already exists. You cannot create case. Okay. If you try to do that, you say I'm not able to create case. Okay. If I try to do so, public class, otherwise class sample, if I try to do so, okay. As part of the same package, it's not allowing me anyhow. Eclipse IDE is not allowing me, guys. Okay. I cannot create case. I cannot create. Okay. I cannot create a class having the same name. You see, when I try to do so, the type sample is already defined here. Okay. You cannot create it, is saying. You cannot create the class having the same name inside the same package. If I try to give a different name for this class, like sample A finish, then it will allow. Okay, these classes will have the same different name. But if I change it to same name, I'm going to get a compiler error. Public, okay, rename here. If I try to rename, it's not asking me to rename also. I cannot rename also. Okay, so Eclipse IDE will stop me, guys. Okay, it's by doing so, you see. Sample class already exists. You cannot do that, it is saying. Okay. You cannot create the class having the same name inside the same package. It's not allowing me. I tried my level best in creating class having same name inside the same package, but duplicate classes are not allowed inside the same package. So Java, this Eclipse IDE is not allowing me to create, because in Java it's not possible for creating duplicate classes in a single package. Okay, what if I do something like this? This class is part of V package. I'll create one more package here, wpack, let's say. And in this, if I try to create the class with the same name, is it possible? Yes, this is possible. You see, it's not giving Eclipse IDE this time is not giving me any error. It's allowing me to create a class, uh, duplicate class inside a different package. Now, the sample class matches, but sample class is part of this V package, whereas this sample class is package part of the wpack. Since they are part of different packages, it's possible, guys. But if I try to move it here, say okay, okay. Already exists. Sample.java exists in selection. Do you want to override? So I'll say no to all. Okay, it will not be copied. Okay, so you cannot create duplicate classes in the same package, but you can create duplicate classes across multiple packages. Okay, in different packages you can create duplicate classes, but in the same package you cannot create duplicate classes. Okay, class having the same name cannot be created in the same package. Either you will get the compiler error or the Eclipse IDE kind of tools will not allow you to create such kind of. Okay, so I try to show you the compiler error also. Okay, the class already existed. I was saying. Okay, within the same package I tried to write the code, right? So here, somewhere here, already the class is there. If I try to create another class sample here with the same name, you see, you got the compiler error also. Okay, and first of all, Eclipse IDE is not allowing me. If I overcome the features of Eclipse IDE and come back here, and in the same file, in the same Java file, if I try to create the same class, duplicate class, the type sample is already defined kind of compiler error is coming. It's not possible, guys. Okay, either you'll get a compiler error or Eclipse IDE will stop you from creating duplicate class, that is class having the same name inside the same package. If they are part of the different package, Java will allow, or Eclipse IDE will allow, everything will allow you, okay, to create duplicate classes across different packages. It's allowed, but within the same package, it's not allowed. So with practical demonstration, I've answered this question for you. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.